Department for Genesis Rodriguez. Genesis is a 14-year-old Hispanic female, 5 feet 0 inches tall, 94 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Genesis was last seen on February 21, 2025 on Knightway Road in Memphis, Tennessee. Genesis was taken by an armed unknown male in a black ski mask and camo jacket. Genesis was last seen wearing a black jacket, plaid black-white shirt, and black boots. If you have seen Genesis or have information regarding her whereabouts, please contact the Memphis Police Department at 9015432700 or the TBI 1800 TBI North A. The current time is 11.